one. Happy August to all our fabulous HydroVeg customers. Just a couple of catch-ups because we talked earlier on in the newsletters about trimming your plants. So I want to talk to you about tomatoes. My friend Justine decided that she was going to trim her tomatoes after I saw a bunch of green, but unfortunately, as you'll see on the pictures I'm going to put in, she took it a bit too far. But make sure that you're not, all your nutrients not go into feeding leaves. So you do need to trim your tomatoes off, and anything that grows in the centre of a branch like this bit here, you just need to pick it out. It's called pinching, and any excess leaves that you really don't need, just chop them off so that you're not using all the energy to grow leaves, actually putting the energy into the tomatoes. And the other thing is, once your plants have had their roots cut, it's all right when they're little plants like this, but when we do the roots, suddenly you find that they thicken out like this, and they're stopping the water running through the system. So this one's already been cut before, and you can see the V. So now we're going to be on the second stage where we're actually going to cut straight through the middle. And if I had a better pair of scissors, I'd be able to show you a little bit better. But we're going to cut straight through the middle there. And you see the dark roots? The dark roots are already dead, so they're not going to cause any problems whatsoever to be lost. Get rid of those. And now we've got roots that water can get straight through the middle, so don't worry about it. The other thing is, sometimes it's difficult to get out of the pot, out of the hole, because the roots have grown up the sides. Well, if that happens, just trim those a little bit so that it's easier to get the roots in and out. So don't worry, there's plenty of roots there for the plant to be able to cope with, but sometimes it needs to trim it off so that you can get the pot back in the hole. And then there we go, hey ho, that will be absolutely fine now. And looking good for purple sprouting broccoli. Anyway, have a lovely August, and for those that are going to Malvern show in September, we're going to be there. So if you can make it, I think it's the 12th, 13th of September, Saturday and a Sunday, for the only show outdoors this year, then we might see you there. Come and say hello.